water buffalo thing during a hurricane.
What would you do if I just landed this the
How
first
about
try? You'd kill me because I landed it?
No.
I probably won't because I fucking suck at what about it.
Give it one try.
You're too far. Here, try this one.
Oh, let me see that. I can do it.
I doubt you can because Max can't even. It won't go down the hill. If you land it.
Make sure the gate doesn't close. Is it closing? Is it
No,
closing?
it's not closing.
Oh, this is so illegal.
Yeah, baby. We just got into this gated community.
We did this one time before, and there was somebody getting kicked out, and they were cleaning, I guess, the house, and they just evicted some people. So this was a good neighborhood. We found some good stuff in here. You can't always find good stuff in a neighborhood like this because it's gated. So we got in. We seen a car like ahead of us, and they opened up the gates. So I should have brought my truck. Look at this, dude. Is someone really? I don't believe this is in the garbage.
Oh, look, the tires are flat. Could
So
probably
what?
fix, and it's actually the racing tires.
Like knocking on the door though, make sure.
I kind of don't, just because the time it is.
I know, but look, I mean, it has to be garbage. It's right by all the garbage.
Yeah.
Plus they have the
Two
tires. Actually,
spare tires right there.
dude, super cool. All they need is some freaking tires.
And that's probably not even that expensive for the tires. And it's a Schwinn, dude.
Look, Schwinns are expensive. This isn't just some Schwinn though. This is actually like a
racing bike.
An older Schwinn.
It's an older racing Schwinn right there. Because look, those are the racing tires. You can tell by the inflator right there.
Yeah.
And that, honestly, you could probably just pull that back.
Bro, we got it. We're in a neighborhood right now where there's like a lot of rental properties, and we just found some cool stuff.
Yeah.
A homeowner came out here. We asked for permission, so it was cool. I wonder if it just needs a battery or something.
It works. He got a battery in it. It's just that the charger stopped working. And we ain't got time for it. We moving. It worked though. It's
Oh,
just
cool.
The charger stopped working.
So it does work.
Yeah, and the battery in it. It's just that the charger stopped working. We ain't got time for it. So and we moving. So I just put it out there.
All right, I appreciate it.
Thanks.
Hey, you want to grab that? Hey,
Yeah.
look at this nice little scooter. Just needs to be cleaned up a little bit.
What? You want to grab the power wheel?
Yo, I should have brought my truck.
Yeah, we should. Man. Dang. Dang, man.
Look at this nice little high chair too.
Yeah.
It's in nice shape.
Hold up. The original big wheel. 2 ripsticks, dude.
Yeah.
I have one of those. These are the real ripsticks too. Look right there.
They're in good shape too.
Yeah, they are in pretty good shape.
The homeowners are, I guess they're, I don't need that.
Yeah.
The homeowners, I guess moving, and when they seen that we were going through their trash, they started putting more stuff out for us. So.
Yeah.
Cool. What is that?
Maybe like a sanitizer or something? I don't know. Yeah, let's open it right quick.
I don't have room for the Power Wheels like I really want. I would love to get that Power Wheels, but I don't have any room for it. But as we were going through their garbage, they actually put more stuff out here for us, and real nice lady gave me this. It's in the package still, man. Look, that's pretty awesome. And they put this out here too. I'm not sure what it is though. Maybe a pressure cooker? Hope you don't get a used condom.
Oh, come on, man. You always gotta say that when I'm like halfway into the box.
You have like
Nice candle.
no gloves on too.
Come on, dude. Please stop talking about how...
No glove, no love. Whoa.
Whoa, that's a hard drive right there. That is a hard drive.
Nice.
Oh. That's a full hard drive. Let's see what size data it is.
That's probably like a 5 gig.
500 gigs drive.
Dang.
Right there.
Yeah, it says it. Has a USB cord.
And it has the cord.
Must be like an external.
It is an external.
Just missing some part. I don't know.
The casing.
What else we got in there? What is that? This guy is trying to record too, so he's like getting pissed.
It's kind of hard to hold a light, a camera, and go through this stuff.
Hey, what the heck is this? Oh, dude, look at that!
What?
It's a freaking USB
It's B port.
Like a multiple USB port.
Yeah, man.
Heck yeah, you should keep that.
I am gonna keep that.
That's why you gotta look through the trash, man. Oh, look, a freaking... Whoa, wait. That's a remote for a camera, dude, for a Canon. And it's in the package,
It is
brother.
in here, dude.
Are you serious?
That right there is just the enclosure for 40 bucks. Normally 55 bucks. And that's this right here. It's just missing this little piece and the stand right here. This right here is this that we found last night in the trash picking. And it sells for $30 on the website. I want to just say thank you for everybody watching the video. If you want to see a better version of it, of the trash picking part at least, you can watch it on Omargoshtvs channel. The link will be down below. Right up here, or up here, for that video. Right there, I'll have it linked in the info cards, down below, and probably somewhere around here as well. So go watch his video. It's a lot better than mine. But show him some love. He worked really hard all day today to put that video out after having some family issues happening today. So show him some love. He's a great man. So thanks for watching. Bye.